All right, my kings, let's break this down properly because most men tend to misunderstand attraction at a fundamental level. You are not losing women because you're a bad guy. You're losing them because you don't understand how women actually respond to true masculine energy. Let's break it down. Do not feed her ego. Here's the real translation to that. Stop pedestalizing women. Men talk to women from a place of lack. They put her above them before she's even earned anything. And the moment you signal that she's the prize and you're the applicant, you've already lost. Number 2, do not compliment her. Hold on, let me explain this because most people get it wrong when I say that. It's not that you never compliment her or a woman, it's that your compliments can't be weak, thirsty, or constant. Did you know that women hear you're gorgeous, you're so pretty, you're so beautiful like 1,000 times a week? That does not separate you, and that definitely does not impact her. But when a grounded man gives a compliment that's intentional and not free-flowing, it lands completely different. Women value rarity. Scarcity makes your words powerful. Your compliment should feel like something she's earned, not something that you give to every woman. Number 3, never chase her validation ever. This is one of the biggest attraction killers. A man who constantly needs her reassurance. Are you mad at me? Do you still like me? Did I say something wrong? That is a man who is operating from insecurity. Women don't want a man who needs to be told he's worthy. They want a man who walks into the room and already knows it. And when you stop fishing for her approval, you automatically become more attractive because you're signaling, I choose you because I want to, not because I need you. A woman feels that difference immediately. Number 4, do not be predictable. This is about polarity, right, guys? Not games. Predictable men are boring because there's no polarity. Polarity comes from tension, from the unknown, from a man who has a life and a purpose outside of her. Mystery doesn't mean being confusing. It means you're not glued to your phone waiting for her to text you back. It also means that you're not reporting your every move to her. It means that you are not emotionally fragile. You are solid. Mystery is simply a man who leads his own life and lets her come along for the ride. This is why consistency and unpredictability is extremely powerful. Be consistent in your character and unpredictable in your timing. Number 5, have the prize mentality. This is everything. Women don't want a man who is begging for their attention. They want a man who walks in the room like he could have any girl he wants, but he chooses her. When you carry yourself like that prize, you aren't pressed, you aren't needy, and you sure as hell aren't waiting for her energy to tell you how to feel. And women chase men like that because that energy is rare. A man who knows that he's the prize operates with calm, selective confidence. That is very attractive. And number 6, don't be the nice guy. Here's what that translates to. Stop being passive. Nice guy syndrome is not kindness. It is self-abandonment. Men think that being agreeable, overly polite, or never disagreeing makes a woman feel safe. It doesn't. It makes her feel like she has to lead the relationship, and women hate leading men. Express your opinions, have a spine, have boundaries, and call her out respectfully but directly. A woman will always respect a man who can stand on something, not a man who folds under any type of pressure. Number 7, always leave her wanting more. This is your masculine control, okay? So pay attention. Most men keep talking because they're afraid that the silence is going to kill the moment. But masculine energy knows when to end things on a high note. Women remember last moments long before those long, drawn-out conversations. The man who doesn't overstay, who leaves first and who ends the conversation confidently and leaves you guessing. That's the man that she thinks about. That's not manipulation. That's pacing yourself. And that is knowing your value. And this is my final message for my kings. Every point in this video comes back to one thing. Women are attracted to masculine conviction. Not ego, not arrogance, not games. Conviction. A man who respects himself, who values his own presence, a man who leads his life with direction and not desperation. You master that, you will never have to chase another woman again. You don't do the chasing, she does. If you are ready to go deeper into masculine leadership, polarity, and how to actually rebuild your confidence from the ground up, I'm dropping way more long-form breakdowns and private trainings here in the membership only. So stay tuned. The next ones dropping next week are going to be